The Oculus Quest, high resolution display, huge amount of games, no additional hardware for only $400. Is it too good to be true? Let's find out. Hello Fusion Arena fans and welcome to this video. We finally got our hands on an Oculus Quest and we decided to review it. So yeah, first things first, the Oculus Quest is a standalone headset. That means no gaming PC needed. All the renderings is done on an internal Snapdragon 835. And yeah, we decided to test it with multiple games. We played Beat Saber, Super Hot, Creed and Fruit Ninja. And yeah, let's get to some specs first and to the display. So the display that they used on the Quest is an OLED panel which has pretty good colors and also high resolution with 1440 x 1600 per eye, which is a really high resolution, and I think the refresh rate is 72 Hz, which is more like lower end but still okay, and we didn't notice it in while gaming. When you come into the menu, you also notice that everything is really sharp due to the high resolution, which we think was pretty good. When you get into the games, if you like compare it to the regular Rift, you notice that the graphic settings are kind of lowered, or some games are even like upscaled to the resolution that the Quest has. But the games overall look still pretty good. And yeah, we're really impressed what the Quest can do with like only this mobile processor. And yeah, the FOV is also about the same as the Rift. And yeah, overall the display and the games that you can play look very, very good on the Quest. And yeah, we're really positively surprised. So the tracking that they use on the Quest is an inside-out tracking with all these cameras that you kind of see here. And yeah, inside-out tracking is pretty good on the Quest. We played multiple games and it was pretty good, like Beat Saber or Super Hot. It worked pretty good, but there are some games that don't really work well with inside-out tracking. For example, Creed, because you have your controllers really close to your headset, and sometimes it doesn't really register punches, or also if you have your controllers somewhere behind your back or you cover it with something and the cameras don't see the controllers, then you will have a problem with that. So that's maybe something you have to consider before buying this headset. But in the games, in the other games that we played, it worked really well. And yeah, it's the easiest setup you can imagine. You just have to adjust the ground with the controllers, like put them on the ground and then point to the field like that you have to move, and then you're done. So it's a really easy setup, which is really nice. You can take it with you like to different places, and it just makes it a lot more portable than if you have to put up sensors and stuff. The audio solution that they use is kind of like an in-strap audio solution. They have like speakers right here, and it's kind of like mediocre, like okay-ish sound. But yeah, you can also put like a 3.5mm jack right here. If you want to have like a better audio quality, you can use whichever headphones you like. And yeah, the controllers also, they're really good. They're kind of like inverted regular Rift controllers with this ring right here, and they are pretty cool. They have like a grip button, a trigger button, two A and B buttons, and this analog stick, and they work pretty well. I think they're almost as good as the regular Rift ones, and they're light and they feel immersive for whatever games you want to play. The headset overall is really comfortable. It has this kind of rubber strap right here, which could be a little bit more comfortable or could feel a little bit better. But for me personally, I played for like an hour straight, and yeah, it felt pretty good. You can adjust the sizes on the side right here, just like on the regular Rift, which is pretty nice. And yeah, it might be a little bit front heavy due to the light strap and the heavy headset. But yeah, overall I really liked it. You have 2 to 3 hours battery life. I think personally that's okay. I don't think you will play longer sessions with this than 3 hours. And yeah, overall the handling is pretty great. One thing that you have to remember is that this headset can only connect to the Oculus Store. So all your games, if you already have VR glasses or you have Steam VR already installed with games, you can't use Steam VR with this headset. So that means that all the games that you want to play on this headset, you have to rebuy from the Oculus Store. So yeah, that's something you have to have in consideration. and yeah, otherwise the handling and comfort of this headset is pretty good. So, what do you think about the Oculus Quest and who is it for? We think Oculus did a really nice overall job on this headset. It has a great display, it has nice controllers, and the inside-out tracking also works pretty good on most games. So the overall package is pretty good, and we think this headset is really good for people who are new to VR and don't already own a gaming PC, because you don't need a PC and you only need $400 to buy this headset. So it's a really good product for casual players or people who are new to VR. Of course, if you want the best graphics or the most games from your Steam library, and also the best tracking, because we still think outside-in tracking is just a little bit better than what we have here. Yeah, you probably need a PC connected headset, and also if you want to play the Steam titles like Fallout VR or Skyrim VR, you should go with a PC connected headset. Otherwise, we can really recommend the Oculus Quest, and we think it's a pretty good product. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and you got some insights about the Oculus Quest, and if you like the content, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you next time. Bye guys.